Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work. Save the project and, if needed, export a workspace preset so you can restore layouts later. Once done, open Window then Workspaces and note the active layout name. Next, open Edit, Preferences, General to check any interface options that might affect panels. Doing this first avoids surprises and helps you understand why panels moved. Make sure to keep After Effects focused during the reset to prevent lost window positions. Now reset the layout. Go to Window, Workspaces, then select Reset to saved layout for the current workspace. This repositions panels to the saved state. If you prefer a custom setup, arrange panels then choose New Workspace to save it. If any panel is missing after reset, reopen it from the Window menu, for example, Timeline, Project, or Effects. Doing this step by step ensures you rebuild a predictable workspace and understand which saved layout controls panel placement. Finish by resetting preferences only if workspace resets failed. Close After Effects, then relaunch while holding Ctrl or Command+Alt to trigger a preferences reset. Alternatively, close the app and rename or delete the preferences file to force a clean start. This clears corrupted layout data, but also resets other prefs, so be sure you backed up anything important. If layouts still misbehave, update or roll back your GPU drivers, or reinstall After Effects to resolve deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.